Hello again, Mike Watson here, just with another video about Airtable. Thought I'd follow up yesterday's Airtable video about showing you some more examples of what Airtable's used for in the wild. So again, this is not how to build an Airtable, this is giving you an idea so you can start thinking about your internal processes and go, okay, maybe spreadsheets is not really working for what Airtable might because it manipulates the data better because it is a database and not a spreadsheet. Databases are designed to manipulate data better, so maybe it's time to look at how you operate your company, and if Airtable is the solution, you might need to upgrade after your spreadsheets are getting a little bit cumbersome. So I've got a couple of things open here. These are Airtable bases, what they're called, created by Airtable, so I've got no information in here that's mine. These are all examples. And if we just have a look at this, is an expense tracking database. Okay, so what they've basically done is every time somebody in their employee buys something, they can log it as an expense, and someone can see how much money to spend to pay back to that employee. So if we look at here, the employee gets access to this forum, which is basically saying they attach a photo of their receipt and who paid it. This would be a list of all the employees who could. So it's all pre-populated. There's a more sophisticated receipt here about when it was created, how much it was, the category it belongs to, so was it a travel expense, groceries, dining, etc., and who paid. So again, it's getting the data into Airtable, so you get nice forums to get the table in. So that information goes into here. There's all the different information that forum has collected. So it's a nice, easy way of collecting data. Basically, give somebody a forum, give somebody access to a forum. They don't need to access this, and then management access thing, and they can keep track of all the expenses. Simple. Another one, slightly more sophisticated here, is an order tracking and invoicing system for a company that maybe retails stuff. So basically, what they've got, if you look at the top here, they've got a list of their clients. They've got a list of projects they're working on. So they've split it into different type of projects: brand identity, etc., industrial design. So they're a design company that designs things for clients. And what they're doing here is basically tracking the tasks within a project, so they know when the delivery date is, the kick-off date, the due date, and what tasks are associated with that particular client. Says there's a helicopter flying over above. Anyway, so that's a nice easy way of splitting down the tasks, the clients, and then the invoices are organised here. So again, it's a nice easy way of creating a data model that's easy to use and track. Another example, remote assets tracking. I know that's going to be quite a popular one here. So if you've got assets that you maybe rent out, how do you track them? Well, this one's an example of, here's all the different assets that the company has. So they're listed on here, all the various different, I'm just going back, all the different products they've got here, who's actually got it, when the purchase date was. You can select, has it been returned, good, fair, poor condition, and that type of thing. And then when you're ordering a new purchase, if you need to buy something, you can add a new purchase via a form. So the form selects where you purchase from, and it records it in the little database, so you can manage your assets, etc. Another slightly even more complicated one is a product catalogue. This base is created for, I think it's a furniture wholesaler that buys in product and retails it. So they've basically got a list of their vendors, these are where they buy the product from, and here's a list of the clients they sell products to, and here's a list of all the various product items that they stock, and here's a list of client orders that are coming in, so they're managing what the client has ordered here, and that's another way of collating that data, and then a list of all the various designers that designed the products that are listed, and again another CRM here of all the various contacts for their actual customers. So without going into too much detail on how to build these things, these are examples that Airtable have built to show the power of Airtable. So you can really think about any process in your business that you're using spreadsheets for and it's getting a bit complicated, a bit cumbersome. Maybe Airtable's the place you should start looking at just to find a solution, because it is incredibly powerful. Thank you.